Go cop your 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video for y'all. Okay, so guys, right before we get into this video, I know you guys been asking for it. We got another giveaway. We just named the winners of the last giveaway. Alright, so I picked the winner and 26 King Wavy picked a winner on his side. The winner of my giveaway was D1 Wid, also known as 360 Works. My boy 360 Works won a medium 26 King Wavy brush. Congrats to you, 360 Works. And his name on Instagram is D1Wid. I think it's D1.Wid. I'm gonna have it up here somewhere. Anyways, guys, 26 King Wavy is doing another giveaway, so I'm just gonna promote it for him, you know. So it's a $50 cash prize giveaway. The winner will win $50 via Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, Chime, however you say it, or Venmo. Alright, so if you guys want to enter the giveaway, you guys will have to purchase one of the items that popped up on the screen right here. And once you purchase it, take a picture of the product or take a picture with the product, depending on what the product is. Just take a picture of you using the product or even a video and tag 26 King Wavy in it for a chance to enter and win $50 cash prize for giveaway. Yeah, some exciting news. Alright, don't forget to tag 26 King Wavy too. With that being said, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright, y'all, welcome back. So y'all already seen the title, man. I'm gonna teach you how to be a ninja today. Alright. So everybody that wants to know how to tie your do-rag like a ninja, okay? I saw this on Shining Time on Instagram. His Instagram name is Shining Time. You know, he got some products too, so I stole this off his page. You know, seen him do it a long time ago. I'm like, wow, that's tough. I might do that. You know, I thought it would be a fun video for you guys. So I'm gonna teach you how to tie, how to make a ninja mask out of your do-rag. So I'm using the 26 King Wavy do-rag because it has a long strap. It's perfect for this method, for this technique that I'm going to be doing, that I'm going to be using. Alright, so get your 26 King Wavy do-rag. It could be velvet, it could be regular, it don't matter. You want to put it up around your nose, put it right under your eye, like right here. Okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.